Well, we have two cooners joining a couple of kitty cats for snacks. Afternoon snacks. Yes. And aren't they cute? Yes. That one in the back's not too sure about me. He knows I'm here, or she knows I'm here, but not too sure. But there's food, so eating is involved. This one over here by the post knows I'm here and doesn't care. It's seen me before. Yes. Hello, my little fluffies. Let's see, can I get a picture? No. Have to turn you this way. There, see? That one there knows I'm here and does not care. That one's a little concerned, but is going to keep eating. Oh, they are a cute bunch. There are 5 kitty cats in the yard. One is up on the gazebo. Oh. Yes. Now there are 3 kitty cats on the gazebo. 1, 2, 3 more in the yard. There we go. Hi. Hi there. Yes, you are a sweetie. Let's see if I can move this over this way. Nope, nope, there's no way to get them both in the same shot. Oh well. And the cat just jumped down off my roof. Hi, Adolf. Yes. Yes, you are a furry bunch. And the one down in front has gone away, so now it's just me and my little friend in the back. Yeah, hi. Oh, hello. Back again. And we're back to 2 kitties and 2 raccoons. Yes. Yeah, I love watching you guys. Let's come down and see this guy again. Oop. There we go. There. There we are. Oh, that's better. I've got both of you. There. Yes. And there goes one of them underneath the gazebo. And there goes the other one. Nope, we're just going around the post. Now. Nope, I'm going to continue eating. Okay, back up here. Oh, you are so sweet. There he goes. We'll come back to this one. There. Yes, you and the kitty cats enjoy your afternoon snack. Oh, and off he goes. Okay. I will be back later in the evening to catch more raccoons.